To enable two-factor authentication in Navan and secure your account, follow these easy steps. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your sensitive data stays safe, and setting it up in Navan is simple. First, log into your Navan account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings by clicking on your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner. This is where you'll manage all your account preferences, including security settings. If you're new to Navan, don't worry. The interface is user-friendly, and setting up two-factor authentication is straightforward. In the settings menu, look for a section called Security. This is where you'll enable two-factor authentication. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your current password to verify your identity. This is the first step in ensuring that only you can make changes to your account. Once you've verified your password, you'll be given the option to choose your two-factor authentication method. Navan supports authentication through mobile apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps generate a unique code every 30 seconds, which you'll need to enter each time you log in. To get started, download one of these apps if you haven't already. After you've installed the app, you'll see a QR code on the Navan screen. Open your authentication app and scan the QR code. Once the app is linked to your Navan account, it will generate a time-sensitive code. Enter the code into the Navan settings page to complete the setup. If you've done everything correctly, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, every time you log into your Navan account, you'll be required to enter the code from your authentication app in addition to your password. This adds an essential layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. If you're wondering about backup options in case you lose access to your authentication app, Navan offers recovery codes during the setup process. These codes are important to keep in a safe place, as they can help you regain access to your account if something goes wrong with your two-factor authentication method. Enabling two-factor authentication in Navan is a simple process that only takes a few minutes, but significantly increases the security of your account. If you're looking for an easy-to-use software platform with built-in security features, Navan is a solid choice. By the way, you can start using Navan for free with our exclusive offer, which gives you access to all the features to help you get started without spending a penny. Check the link in the description below to grab your exclusive and extended free trial. Setting up two-factor authentication in Navan is quick and easy, and it's an important step in keeping your information secure. Stay safe and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your account is well protected.